can see, when I had that off on the weekend, I was a very naughty boy. Done a fair amount of damage to the bar, much more than Derek did with his little tap. And I've got to obviously do a fair amount of reconstruction, but I can have this fixed by the weekend. You can see where the bar's forced its way back and actually folded the steel guards underneath. So it was a fair impact to fold that under, so I've got a bit of panel beating to do. Same thing on the other side, panels bent, bar's up not too bad this side. The impact from underneath has smashed the bar right up through the tow hook on the front. Thankfully my fiberglassing skills are better than my driving skills. There's obviously a large piece missing underneath and a bit of body filling to do. With the bar off, you can see what I'm facing. I've got a bit missing here that I'm going to have to reconstruct. This isn't hanging together by much. That's pranged as well. Hole in there. Major problems here. I'm going to have to realign all of this. Cracks up in here. Cracks up in there. And smash through there. The interesting thing is that the bar did not crack at all where I added those mounts on the top. I'm trying to get some joy out of that. I had to remove the splitter after I hit the bank on that first run because it had folded underneath and was catching. But check this out. It's split right down the middle of the plywood. That gives a fair indication of the strength of just one layer of carbon fibre. Pretty impressive. And that'll be real easy to just make a whole new one. I finished applying the resin and cloth to the inside of the bar, so now that will hold its shape completely, and all the cracks I can bog on the other side with auto body filler. There's a few spot repairs in odd places around the top of the grill opening and so forth, but that's finished now. Tomorrow I'll be able to get to work on the surface on the other side. Welcome to the Redline School of Panel Beating. I can fix anything with a block of wood and a sledgehammer. Let's get into it. That bar's not only fixed, it's stronger than it was new. I haven't put the carbon fibre lip back on, although I've made another one. I've learnt my lesson. I'm going to not run it at the dirt circuit this weekend. I'm going to keep it for King Edward Park in 2 weeks. Tomorrow we're ready for battle again, and it's going to be a war between James, my son, and I, both running in the same car. Stay tuned to see who wins. I think I know who's going to win.